So if you're looking at the Koda 2 and the Koda 2 Max and can't quite make the decision of which one to go for, well, keep watching. Both the Koda 2 and the Koda 2 Max are dedicated gas units, taking about 30 minutes to hit 400 degrees with peak temperature of 500 degrees Celsius. The Koda 2 has a 14-inch stone inside, giving you plenty of space to maneuver a 12-inch pizza around without scraping the sides. The Koda 2 has a single 15mm thick stone and a burner lining the back, generating the heat, ensuring that you get a crispy pizza every time. And yes, the Koda 2 Max is larger, a lot larger. It's 24 inches in width, allowing you to fit two 12-inch pizzas side by side. It also has a much higher profile, an extra 7 centimeters to be exact, allowing for much bigger roasts. The Max's cooking surface is split into two stones, one on the left, one on the right. This allows for a more even, more efficient heat, utilizing two burners. Surprise, surprise, one on the left, one on the right. Now these can be individually controlled as well, giving you a multi-zone function. Max also comes with a digital temperature hub. This allows you to track the internal temperature of the chamber, as well as any protein you might be cooking inside. All you need to do is just connect via Bluetooth on your phone. The Ooni Koda 2 Max is more than just size. It does give you more versatility and arguably more control over your cooks, which in my opinion is pretty good value for money. But if you're only looking to cook a couple of pizzas at a time and you're a bit limited on space or budget, the Koda 2 is a fantastic option.